Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make front facing ear wires. So I'm going to start with 20 gauge wire at 5 inches, and I'm going to place both ends of the wire together. Then once I've done that, I'll squeeze the wire down as close as I possibly can, and you can also use your chain nose to assist you with that. For the next step, I'm going to use a bail making plier to make a loop. So you'll need to place it at the second step to make a loop, or if you'd like to have small loops, you can go ahead and you can use the first, or you can use your round nose plier. The loops are going to look like this, like a P shape, and next I'm going to go in with the chain nose to center the loops, and to do so, place the chain nose inside of the loops, and once you've done that, place your thumb and your index finger under the loop, then slightly twist your dominant hand towards you to center the loops. Then next I'm going to place it at the third step with the loops laying flat. So you want to ensure that the loops are laying flat and are not pointing down. Then I twist my dominant hand away from me while I pull the longer end of the wire down to shape the piece. So your piece should be looking like this at this point. Next I'm going to trim the end of it. Then I go in with the chain nose and I grab the end of it and slightly twist my dominant hand towards me to bend out the end of the piece. To release them, place the cutter at the front of the loop, then cut. Then next I'm going to go back in with the bail making plier to close the loops. So once you've closed the loops, ensure to smooth the end of the piece. To add extra strength, I place it onto the bench block, then strike it gently a few times. To add whatever it is that you're going to add to it, you just basically open it like this with your chain nose and twist towards you, then twist back to close it. So I do hope that this video was helpful, and if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments. Also, the loops don't have to be as large as the ones I've made. If you'd like to make yours even larger, or if you would like to make them smaller, you can go ahead and do that as well. Thank you for supporting, and I'll see you in the next one.